Hi, this is my trade which I took in my real account because I lost 6% in my founded account in this week, previous week and this week. So I thought let me lose a little bit which I can afford. Okay, so I thought let me put $10 and just scalp to be like I got a like you can say it's urge, but I will say like I couldn't make any money, so let me try to make. Okay, that was my whole thought process, but this trade was not psychologically, but yeah, the less capital, I should not take this setup. Okay, can see. Okay, let me explain the 15 minutes first. Okay, you can clearly see market is sweeping this low because it's like Asian and London lows, and we had a previous high here. Okay, market came nicely bullish here, so I thought if I buy here I could close here like a small scalp. Okay, that's my overall plan in this. Okay, let me go to 1 minute and yeah, these are the trades. I should have been entered in this retracement in the 20 EMA. Like, I should have some confirmation that market should retrace and should go. That should be my entry. But I just entered after this break in this highs. Okay, I should have. I entered in this area. Okay, with some CPR call. I don't. I can see in my trading view, but I couldn't switch. All trades are taken and mostly in my phone. So I'm explaining this. Okay, after this break, I took entry. Market went up, started to come down. When it started to go up, like after this one candle, I a little bit entered more. Started to come down. When it started to go up, I thought, okay, it's going to hit because it was so close. Okay, started to reverse with a big candle, so I closed this trade. Okay, market just came down and went to my target. Okay, after breaking this, I might have taken, but I said, okay, stop this because it's too small range. Okay, we should be in a retracement. If it's a 15 minutes retracement, okay, but like this, if I had taken an entry here means it will be a nice. Okay, like in this area, if I took a retracement like buy, I would have been a nice trade, but I was so greedy to be capturing this so small loss. Okay, highs. Okay, next I took an euro USD trade. Okay, euro USD trade, and the trade I lost a little bit. Okay, like I made it to $8. Okay, so I couldn't enter like gold trades, so I thought let me enter in some euro USD trades. Okay, I could see a market sweep this highs. Okay, sweep this highs, market should have came down. I thought market will still come down, but we had a CPR also here. Okay, okay, let me explain in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, in this area we had a CPR. Okay, and in this area also we had a correct CPR level. So I sold it when market started to go down in this area. Once it reaches this area, I stopped with this trade and made around back that to $9 or $10 something. Okay. So I thought if markets are basis, let me check the gold. Okay, that's the where I can make more. Okay, it actually worked too, but I will explain what happened next after it worked. Go to my XIUSD chart. Yeah, it's going to be the surprise chart. You go to 15 minutes. These are the entries I took in a 15 minutes candle. Okay, my whole idea was to let me explain 1 minute. Okay, that will be clear. With CPR aligning, we had a CPR here around. Okay, in this area, market came down and we formed a like fair value gap, and it was nice entry. We are sweeping this lows and market started to come down. Here I took a small loss. I think so. Yeah, I closed it because it's a breakout and we had a CPR here. Okay, so that when the market retest, let me enter again. Market started to come down. I entered around here and I closed in the next CPR level. But market went like boom down. Okay, and in this area I had a 15 minutes hike, 15 minutes or a 1 hour break. Okay, let me check. 1 hour. You can clearly see this breaker. Okay, this candle, this is the breaker. Okay, in this area I went to like, okay, if market is going bullish, I need to understand it's in a fair value gap and it's in a It's like I can see it's in 1 hour farewell yappa. I think it's like only it's a breaker block, okay. And I went to this minor time frame. I entered here, okay, with small lot, okay, with one I actually entered here. To be frank, I was playing game which I should never do while trading, but that made me like I'm risking too slow, okay. I kept my stop loss below this line, but what's my overall thought was it's a nice impulse move, okay, in that from that breaker block, okay. And we had a CPR around this area. After breaking into the CPR, I thought let me enter, and after really market started to go up, when we came to this area, I sort of let's increase my lots. It's all like playing while game or watching something. I was opening the trade in. I think I finished my game. Okay. After that, I entered here with. You can see from here to here from previous day. Previous like charts everywhere. You can see I entered like 1, 2, 3, like mostly three. Okay. After I took my phone in this control, I was like clicking tick 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 full buy buttons, and market went. I could not hold because I made around $20 from here to here. Okay, I closed it. So I thought let me check what's happening. And what is really happening is like market came here. Okay, let me explain in 15 minutes here, but I want to stop this settings, trade history, yeah. This is the area which I entered, and we had a 15 minutes fair value gap also here. Okay, my entry was around in this area. If market retraced, my $10 will be lost. Okay, that was my whole context in this time. Okay, so let me explain it inside what happened. Okay, settings, trade history. So we go to 5 minutes. Can you sleep? Yeah. Here you can see I entered in the stage still holding this one position, but I closed these positions here. Okay, after that market like I bought it here, but when market came here I sold it also. See, I bought it and I when market came with a small loss I closed these trades. Okay, after that when market started to come down I started to sell because uh, it was a fast movement. Okay, because it's a scalping. I closed my buying positions in this area, in this small area, and started to sell this area. Okay, in the small week. Once market came here, I stopped every sales and started to buy above. Okay, like entering more lots. Here I made around $55 in this small move. Okay, from here to here, my $20 trade was like $55. I closed it. I was saying, okay, I made $55 from this $10. I am the greatest guy. Okay, I was thinking like that because I made money for this week. That's approximately like 3,000 in India. That's like more money actually for a single day to spend. To be frank, I had 51 years grandparents. Okay, I can afford them a cake, food. Okay, like 3,000 is a very good amount which I should have kept it. Okay, I was still greedy. I came into this. Okay, this area I entered here. Okay, because after this retrace I entered here, like clicking buttons like tick 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 tick. I think around 13 or 15, 20 maybe. I took a 20 0.01 lots. Okay, when market came here I was like 75 $78. Okay, I thought market will still go up because of this bullish momentum. I was clicking only buy button. Click, click, click. When market retrace, buy. Click, 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 click. Market retrace, click, click, click. Market came here and my whole $50 was gone. Well, now I can smile. That time also I was too not worried. But think of same scenario. You made $55 in this area, and the same after that just 5 or 10 minutes you lost this $50. It's like what I thought was like it's a little bit smiley in my face, but not worried too much. But I thought if I had that money, that would be in a really helpful. Okay, if I had That would be a win. Okay, money is a money, even if it's a 10 or 12. Winning money is a money. I should have withdrawn that $40 and kept that $10 to trade. I was too greedy, but I thought let me journal this, okay, because I could make money from the $10. So if I journal it, I can make more. That's my full thought. So what's my whole journal in this whole trading is I can scalp, okay, but to be frank, the area should be more important. Only taking buys in a retracement area gives me the more probability, okay. If I am buying, see, this is the retracement area of 15 minutes, okay. This went nice. But in the top of I like breakout trades are not working in a minor time frame, okay. Now we can see here also we came, it's an 15 minutes fair value gap, and it's like a small breaker too. If we go down now, you can see the here we have a breaker here. This is area breaker plus a 15 minutes fair value gap. So the small push, okay, from the here to here, from here also I made profits around $30, okay. Made $20 in the trade. That's like a 400 percentage, okay, from $10. That's the true, but it was unlimited leverage. I took that account, okay. I thought of like gambling and scalping. That was my whole plan. If I had lost that money, that would be like gambling, okay. After making $50 and losing that made me a little bit sad, but understand. Let me journal this so that I can make more money. That was my thought from after taking this trade to going to that cake cutting, buying food, going others, spending money. I was thinking about this 6,000. If it I would just closing that $70, that's like 6,000. Something which is huge amount for a single day. Okay, I never spent like more than a 6K in a single day. To be frank, that's the truth. So I was greedy. See, this move I made money, and this move I lost everything. So for scalping, like I to be frank, I like the sound ding 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 buy sounds, okay. But to be frank, in every scenarios I was praying to God, please push me, please push me, please push me, little bit, little bit, little bit. From here I was planning, please, please, please push this market, please push this market. Like it's like begging to God for going markets up. Okay, that's what I'm doing. But I think it's not really good. But if I have a urge, the downside is like only $10. Okay, I really don't want to lose any other accounts, like any other money from here. But I should have taken that amount at $40 and I should only reach that 10. Yeah, I was a little bit greedy. But let me try this setup. So like in gold, like hero to zero in Indian market, we had like expiry date. I too really don't know how it's work, but I know a little bit concept. Okay, it will be like risking so much low to gaining more money, like that. In a gold, my journal is to buy in retracement. Okay, that was my whole plan. Like in this area, so that I'm going to do this because it's fun, but it may go out my psychology. What if I trade in my real account? Okay, I could make money in this small account. What if I do in my funded account? I could blow this account. This may be a very bad setup which I am trying to do, but I want to do more journal. I want to do trial and error. Okay, that was my whole plan. Let me check. Let me see how next week goes, and I'll update my journals. Thank you.